Let's quickly get you up to speed with the latest news break that we're getting in. Somnath Bharti's statement on beautiful woman has been expunged from the proceedings of Delhi Assembly, but the damage has already been done. Well, the latest that we're getting in is, let's put context to that story. Somnath Bharti on the floor of the Delhi Assembly had stated that if the Delhi police comes under the Delhi government, then even beautiful women laden with jewelry can walk the streets at night. That comment now has been expunged. I want to cut across to Ankit Tyagi. He's reporting on the story, getting us up to speed with this news break. Ankit, the comment might be expunged, but it's pretty much quite in public memory there. The damage already done.
That's right, and in fact, the Aam Aadmi Party PT now moving in, trying to control the damage that Somnath Bharti, the former law minister of the Aam Aadmi Party, has caused to the government. In fact, this happened on the floor of the assembly on the one-day special session that was called in by the Aam Aadmi Party on women's security. The 67 Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, all of them in unanimity, trying to speak about how Delhi police should come under Delhi government, and that would lead to, the crimes against women being decreased. But Somnath Bharti went a step ahead, and in his speech, when he was speaking in the Delhi Assembly, he made that comment about beautiful women would be safe if the Delhi police comes under the Delhi government. That has found a lot of criticism, not only from the opponents, but also from his estranged wife. In fact, India Today Television was the first one who spoke to Somnath Bharti yesterday in the evening, and he in fact tried to clarify and justify his remarks to us, but the party throughout the day has been facing a lot of facts, and now they have decided that the speaker has ordered these comments to be expunged from the official proceedings of the Delhi Assembly.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Ankit. We're going to keep coming back to you for the latest updates. So clearly the Aam Aadmi Party right now in damage control mode, but the damage has already been done. Somnath Bharti has spoken, and what he said is that his comments were twisted out of proportion. Well, how that happened is only up to him, because he's the one who said it, but let's get in all the reactions. And then we have Onika Mehrotra, spokesperson Congress, and Reena Gupta, spokesperson Aam Aadmi Party. We're going to have a face-off on that, but let's quickly get you the reactions coming in on the back of that sexist slur.
मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है, अगर आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार माननीय मुख्यमंत्री महोदय को पूरी खुली छूट मिल जाए, तो दिल्ली में सुंदर से सुंदर स्त्री रात को 12 बजे गहने जेवर लाद के चली जाएगी।
हमने कहा सुंदर से सुंदर महिलाएं, वो तो बेंचमार्क है भाई। अब किसी बच्चे को बोलो प्यारा बच्चा, तो क्या बाकी सारे बच्चे अप्यारे हो गए? भाई ये तो एक बोलने का तरीका है, एक proverb है।
Right now, Onika Mehrotra, spokesperson of the Congress. We also have from the Aam Aadmi Party, Reena Gupta. Reena, I want to come to you first. Is what Mr. Somnath Bharti said, does the party agree with him? A. B. Do you agree with what Somnath Bharti said on the floor of the House? The comments might be expunged, but is it what the party believes?
See, Preeti, we do not endorse the comment. But having said that, I'm actually quite sad and very surprised that none of you media people or any of the other people who are commenting on this, you are appreciating the fact that this is the first time in the country that a special session has been called on issues related to women's security.
No, I'll hold you right there.
So
I'll hold you right there. I will hold you right there, Reena, because this shows exactly. One second.
All we are doing is
Reena,
trivializing the issue.
Reena, what is there to appreciate in this? This shows exactly how women's safety. Reena, there's a question I'm asking you. This shows exactly how women's safety is viewed in India. This is a comment that your party person made on the floor of the House, where he said beautiful women laden with jewelry would be able to walk out at night if the Delhi police is under the control of the Delhi government. Now, you tell me, Reena, apart from appreciating that a special session has been called, but is this the way your party views women's safety?
Preeti, that was an analogy and a bad one at that. I
You
agree
agree
to
it's a
that.
bad analogy?
It was a bad analogy.
You agree
But
it's a bad
let's
analogy?
not get sidetracked.
Do you agree it's a bad analogy, Reena?
Let's look at
No,
what all
right
the
now
chief
there's only
ministers
one thing to
said,
look
what
at.
we
There
want
is
to do.
a comment.
So instead of
Reena, you're a
focusing
woman.
on that,
Reena, you're a
let's
woman.
not
You
get
represent the Aam
sidetracked.
Aadmi Party,
Let's talk
which
about
represents
what
the
needs to
people
be
of
done
Delhi.
on issues related
Reena,
to
you're a
women's
woman which
security in
represents
Delhi.
the Aam Aadmi Party, which represents the people of Delhi. The question I want to ask you is, are you embarrassed
Absolutely.
by your party person? Did that comment embarrass you? Did that comment embarrass your party?
No, I don't think it's a big deal.
You don't think it's a big deal at all?
I don't think it's such a big deal. It's
All
a
right,
comment
let me bring
which
in
was
Monica Malhotra.
which was in poor taste.
All right, let
and
me
the
bring in
comment
Monica
has been
Malhotra. Monica
expunged.
Malhotra,
But let's
the
focus
former
on
law
the real
minister
issue.
of Delhi,
Let's
goes
not
on the floor of the
trivialize
house,
the issue of
says
women's security
beautiful
with
women
one
can
comment.
walk out on the streets of the capital laden with jewelry at night if the Delhi police is under the
Preeti,
Delhi government. Do you
there they
think
go
there's no
again.
big deal about this
In
statement?
terms of the spokesperson, they go first to hit the media. Initially, it was the media. They said brought them to power, and the moment the media, exposes what they are doing, they hit back on the media, and they want a public kind of opinion on the media of the performance. So there they go again on putting an allegation as to you people are stopping them from working in the right order. But Preeti, there's no ifs and buts on a comment said by the minister. He has embarrassed many times, and look what the wife has said. She's aptly described him. What more do you want? A woman who has lived with him, tried to, create a balance in his house, has commented on what
Monica,
he has
it's
said.
not about the
Doesn't
wife.
it give you a
Monica,
complete
I want to
picture?
come in. Let's not politicize it. It's not about the wife. It's
Monica,
about
that's
every
a
woman
personal
who
sub
comes
judice
from the
matter.
national capital, because this is the person who represented my view. He is my government. Now, the question I want to ask you is, Reena, why is it so difficult for the Aam Aadmi Party to say they are embarrassed? You've already expunged the comment. You are embarrassed. Why is it so difficult to disown that comment?
I've said we do not endorse that comment.
You
That's
also
what-
said
that
in the
was my
same
first
breath it's no
statement,
big deal.
Preeti.
Then what?
But having
Then what
said
is wrong
that,
with what
having
the
said
likes of other
that,
ministers
I'm also
say about
saying that
women?
you're trivializing the whole issue. And Onika, the reason that the women of Delhi are in such bad state is because Mrs. Sheila Dikshit did nothing for 15 years in Delhi.
Why
don't
you take a step forward? Why don't you be progressive? Who's stopping you? We have n numbers of
That's
laws
exactly
enacted.
what
Why
we
don't
are
you do
doing.
it? You have your
That's
helplines.
exactly what
you
we are
have
doing.
now. You said you
That's
have a
exactly
very
what
strong
we are doing.
DCW.
Focusing
Why don't you
on
come up with
positive
it?
issues.
Why is she quiet on that? Oh please, oh please. I mean, when you point a finger at us, there are three pointing back at you. Why don't you perform? We are looking for
Reena,
all
let me ask you a question.
Monica,
One second, Monica, let me come in. Reena,
DCW is not into politics.
You said
like
you are here to
Barkha
give good governance.
was commenting
Do
on
it, please.
everything that was political.
Please do it. 49 days gone and over. You are
Reena,
here
let me ask
for
you a
5
question.
good years.
Reena, can
You've
I
got
ask you a
huge
question?
mandate. Please
Monica,
perform.
1 second. Can I just come in? Reena, can I ask you a question? Do you think there was something wrong when Sheila Dikshit, at the back of the Nirbhaya case, had gone out and said that girls should not come out at night? The safety is their own concern. Do you think there was something wrong with that statement?
That's you're comparing two very different
No, I'm asking you. Do you think there was
When
something wrong
Sheila
with that
Ji said
statement?
that was
Do you
absolutely
think, Reena,
wrong.
that statement was wrong?
Because women,
Then what
women
makes
of
your-
Delhi
then
should
what
be able
makes
to
your
come
statement
out
by
at
a party
any point
colleague
of the day
right?
or night.
Then what makes, if that was wrong, then what makes the statement by
See,
your
Preeti,
party colleague
Preeti.
right? Because it smacks of nothing else but sexism. As a woman who lives in this national capital,
But I'm not saying
away
it's
from
the
a
right
journalist,
comment.
away from party leanings, I am offended. And so are all the
I do
women out
not
there.
think you're listening to what I'm saying.
Okay, please make me
I don't think you're
understand.
listening to what I'm saying.
Go ahead.
I said my opening statement was, we are not endorsing the statement. I also said it was a poor analogy in a very bad taste. Now what else do you want me to say? But
You also-
I'm saying that we have this half an hour or
Why are you
15
saying-
minutes. Let's focus on some of the positive things that we are doing. Instead of, just getting sidetracked with one statement that, an MLA made, which has been expunged.
But Reena,
Let's focus on
you
the
must
women's security
understand.
issues
You
that my
must
government is
understand.
planning
He's a
to take,
former
that our
office
government
bearer.
is planning
No,
to take.
Reena.
We're installing CCTV cameras. We're installing bus marshals. And we know the reason women of Delhi are not
so
safe.
sad?
is
Reena,
because
let
it's
me
so
come
big
in.
wall
You're
of
installing, you're installing
There is no
CCTV.
police there.
All right, Reena, you're installing CCTV cameras. You have bus marshals. Isn't it really sad that a former minister from the Aam Aadmi Party will take to the floor and say something as sexist as that, and women like you who should get up right there and take him on are saying it's not a big deal? It's embarrassing, Reena. He takes away from what you're doing.
What I had to say on that comment.
he takes away from what you're doing as a party for women's
up
safety.
To us.
Look at the attitude now.
Let's
Now, this is the attitude.
Let us
this is the
judge
attitude
the
of
Aam
the Aam
Aadmi
Aadmi
Party on the steps that it's taking, not on these comments of not even comments, just one statement. We are just totally getting sidetracked and losing the bigger sight.
All right. Are you embarrassed, Reena? Are you embarrassed with what he has said? Does it embarrass you?
I don't agree with what he said, and I've already said that. I don't endorse it. So the party does not endorse the statement.
Do you think he should come out and make a public apology?
No, I don't. I mean, that's totally up to him whether he wants to come out and make a public apology or not. But I'm saying, Delhi, women of Delhi are
No, Reena, let's stick to the party. Let's stick to the point.
Debate
Do
those
you
larger issues.
Reena, can we be away from everything? Do you think as a woman, do you think as somebody who's from the Aam Aadmi Party, as you said, is doing enough for women, do you think Somnath Bharti should stand up and make a public apology to all the women in this city? Do you think we deserve an apology from him?
Somnath Bharti has come and clarified his statement. I'm saying I do not endorse that statement. He's come and clarified it's up to him what he wants to say about it. I'm not going to comment on that, whether he should apologize or not.
Reena, that's the sad part. That's the sad part. Being a party member, being a woman, being from the Aam Aadmi Party, you should have been one of the first who should have asked for an apology from your own party colleague, because you're quick to do it where other parties are concerned. But do stay with me. I'd ask my guests, both Onika and Reena Gupta, to stay with us as we stick with the story of Somnath Bharti. A day after he created a storm for allegedly saying that beautiful women would be safe under the Aam Aadmi Party's tenure, Somnath Bharti clarified. The Aam Aadmi Party MLA from Delhi's Malviya Nagar clarified that he was using a proverb to set a benchmark for a secure environment in the capital. The sexist jibe by the legislator set the stage for a fierce three-way showdown between the Aam Aadmi Party, the BJP and the Congress. Shortly after his remark, Bharti's estranged wife, Lipika, lashed out at him, asking him, "What about average-looking women like us?" Bharti's controversial remark came on the floor of the Delhi Assembly on Monday, which were, of course, expunged.
मैं तो इतना जानता हूं कि खिड़की एक्सटेंशन वाले मामले में पुलिस चारों तरफ से घिरी हुई है। जब हमने पुलिस के खिलाफ एफआईआर दर्ज करने की बात कही, चूंकि 166A में अगर कोई महिला थाने जाती हैं और कहती हैं कि हमारे साथ दुर्व्यवहार हुआ, हमारे साथ गलत काम हुआ है, छेड़खानी हुई है, तो हमारा एफआईआर दर्ज करें। अगर नहीं करेंगे तो उन पे केस होता है। हमने कहा था कि जब ये युगांडन महिलाएं गई थी वहां, तो आपने क्यों नहीं एफआईआर दर्ज किया उनके कहने पे? क्यों उनको कोर्ट जाना पड़ा? तो हमने कहा था इनको प्रोसिक्यूट करो। उस पर तो उन्होंने कहा थी कि हमको सैंक्शन लेना पड़ेगा, और यहाँ लॉ मिनिस्टर इन्वॉल्व था, उस पर बगैर सैंक्शन के आप चार्जशीट तो बना दिया।
All right, let us give perspective to what Somnath Bharti was just saying. Trouble clearly mounting for the former state law minister in another case as well. The Delhi Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung has allowed the prosecution of Aam Aadmi Party Somnath Bharti in Khirki extension raid case. Jung has given the police sanction to prosecute the former Delhi law minister in connection with the Khirki extension raid in which Bharti targeted some African women in January 2014. Bharti will be among several Aam Aadmi Party leaders who are facing prosecution in different cases, and the LG sanction is expected to open a fresh round of confrontation between the Raj Niwas and the Delhi government. We still have our guests with us, Onika Mehrotra, spokesperson Congress, Reena Gupta, spokesperson Aam Aadmi Party. Reena, the LG now giving a go-ahead for prosecution of Somnath Bharti. What is the defense this time around?
Preeti, that's a matter which is sub judice. So we have a policy that we do not comment on sub judice matters. Let the court take its, let the law and the judiciary take its course.
One case after the other, Reena, there has to, would you have had the same amount of patience if this minister was, say, from the Congress or the BJP?
Well, you have to look at some of the reports that have come out by ADR. Look at the criminal records of Congress and BJP MPs. They have rapists in their cabinet and all of that. So, I mean, why are you even getting started on that?
No, Reena, I'm sticking to two cases. I'm sticking to two cases.
So I would say
are we twisting what Somnath Bharti said? We played
is really nothing. It's a
Reena,
trivial case.
What Somnath Bharti said on the floor of the House, we played it verbatim. You said you don't agree with it. You said it embarrasses you. The second case, everybody knows what happened at Khirki extension. Why is it that the Aam Aadmi Party has so much patience for Somnath Bharti when you're ready to go after any other leader who would have done 50% of what he's done from other party? Am I not right?
No, it's not that, Preeti, we are actually taking very positive steps for all of, for Delhi. And I can also tell you that we are also doing gender sensitization for our own MLAs. See, our MLAs are, whether it's BJP or Congress or
So do you think the likes, Reena, do you think the likes of Somnath Bharti need gender sensitization? Do you think the likes of Somnath Bharti need gender sensitization?
Most men in India, I would say most men in India need gender sensitization.
Including Somnath Bharti?
I would say most men in India, and especially North India, need gender sensitization. And we are doing it as a policy, not just for, we are doing these workshops even for the government employees, because, a lot of times when you grow up, you look at the state of the women, the way women are portrayed in popular movies in India. And so, somewhere along the line, the men in our country
Anika, do you want to come in?
What is right, what is wrong.
Anika, do you think the Aam Aadmi Party would have had the same patience if that leader had come from your
party? You can't just be hypothetical in all the things. You can't generalize. You have to give a concrete answer to it. It's a classic example of dodging. It's a classic example of protecting the ministers who have been doing wrong and crossing the line time and again. How long can you keep on protecting them? And then you cut a sorry figure that people don't allow you to work. This is a classic example. Each time the ministers with fake degrees, each time, let's take example.
No, Anika, we are doing enough work. We are doing more than you all did in 15 years.
1 minute please.
We are doing more than what you did in 15 years. You have to see what you are doing here. More in 5 months than you did in 15 years.
Now wait a minute please, have patience. You are here for good 5 years. You have got a huge mandate. Is this how you're going to behave? Is this your accountability to people of Delhi?
Anika, we'll be here for more than 5 years.
Ministers?
We'll be here for more than 5 years because of the good work that we are doing.
Oh, please, stop going back. We want
Anika,
to see
we'll be here for more than 5 years.
That's what you promised.
Don't worry.
All right,
Yeah, you are. So is this the way you will behave?
That's where we are moving,
you will not be here
Anika.
for more than 5 month then. You will be pulled out by your own people if this is the way you're going to behave. And
Reena, let me come in there.
And this is the way you're going to behave and protect your minister outrightly on a national channel. We are ashamed. We're ashamed to choose a party of Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi.
Reena, let me come in because there are a lot of people who are watching this special broadcast. A lot of people actually would be feeling mildly sorry for you at this point of time because you are practically defending the indefensible. Why is it? Why is it it's so difficult for you and the Aam Aadmi Party to admit to the fact that what Mr. Somnath Bharti did was wrong and he needs to stand up and apologize to the women of Delhi? Why is it so difficult? Why are you behaving like what you said?
Preeti, I'm really surprised. You're not listening to what I'm saying. I've said, yes, he should not have said it. Whether he apologizes or not, that's up to him. Whether he's
a party.
Next, what action are you
taking?
He's
a party MLA.
What is the chief minister? What action?
Reena, he's a party MLA.
Delhi,
there has to be a party whip on this.
Minister on the remarks that he said on women. You went out with candles for Nirbhaya case. You vowed that you're not going to allow such kind of atrocities in women. Where are those promises? Why don't you curb it first on your ministers? He goes out to say that he's going to spit on the minister. Then he wants to make the district judges. On and on and on.
Very concrete steps to
we want to see a concrete action
that the women of Delhi are safe.
That's all.
And policing in Delhi is one of the major issues.
All right, Monica, 1 second.
Oh, please, stop that.
You make a call to the police.
Reena, next, madam.
Van does not even turn up for hours.
Reena, let me come in.
All right. Check and balance on your minister. The VIPs of Delhi.
All right, Reena, okay, fine. All right, let's admit that the Aam Aadmi Party is doing its bit for women's safety. Let's admit you are delivering on your promises of CCTV cameras. Let's admit you are delivering on your promises of marshals on buses. Let's admit that the Aam Aadmi Party is going that extra mile to secure women in the national capital. But let's also admit that your own party people are taking away from your own successes in this particular area. Why is it so difficult that the chief minister, that the party people actually come out and say that Somnath Bharti needs to get up and apologize? Why is it so difficult? He is not an individual. These are not comments made in person. These are not individual comments. Reena, these are comments made by a party person on the floor of the Delhi Assembly.
But I'm also saying that we are trivializing the whole issue. Let's not get sidetracked with this one comment. Let's try and focus our energies on finding solutions.
That's
of
the beauty.
You know, how
That's
can
the
we
beauty
make
of Aam Aadmi
the
Party.
women of Delhi more secure?
You had an
I
opportunity.
would love to have. I would love to come on a program
Despite that,
where you
All right,
invite the
I'm
women
gonna
of
come- I'm
Delhi.
gonna come in because
was
nobody can hear
outrightly
anyone
commented
here.
of women.
All right, you know,
A
Reena,
party who said that, it's good come for the security of the women.
Anika, all right, let me just come in. We're running out of time. We're running out of time.
Anika, you did now, Anika, your party did not even manage to
forget
get one
what we did
MLA
for
into
15
the
years.
assembly.
All right,
You
Anika,
have
Reena,
mandate.
let's stop this blame game. We're running out of time. We're running out of time, and Reena, you had an opportunity.
Stop making this.
You
Reena,
have got a play field, you've got a ground to work on.
Reena, you had an opportunity.
Do not
You had an opportunity to come on the special broadcast because there are a lot of people who are watching the special broadcast from the national capital. You had an opportunity today to come out and say what you've said. You've said that yes, he was wrong. Yes, you're embarrassed. Why is it so difficult for Reena Gupta from the Aam Aadmi Party to stand up and say, yes, my party person, my party colleague needs to stand up and apologize to the people of Delhi because what he said was sexist. It's not one comment. It's not a personal comment. It was made by an MLA of Delhi from your party. It was made on the floor of the House, Reena. We're going to keep tracking details, keep getting the latest on that story. Appreciate Anika and Reena for joining us.